morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Dil Diya Galla.
Yes, thank you for inviting me.
Yes, I can hear you.
I get it makes me very nice when I come on the Dildia Galna. First of all, I get ready by 10 o'clock.
Yes.
Otherwise I'm so lazy. So it preps me up. It
Yeah.
perks me up. And thank you for that.
No, you're welcome. And today we're going to have a very interesting topic, between the yesterday, today, and tomorrow. That's
Yes,
that's what it is. So that's the topic
yes.
today. And today is the second, and today is 21. Okay. So now we're going to be going live. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Because I did have some problem recently, and
Acha.
I was recording everything and then posting it afterwards
Uh-huh.
on Facebook. But looks like everything is all right. Should be okay. Yeah,
Yeah, yesterday was fine.
yeah. Yesterday
Yesterday.
I started going back to it. Okay, here we are. I can see you now. So
Thank you.
yeah,
You good?
yeah. So we are here. Um, so yeah, welcome Tuesday. Welcome everybody to Dil Diya Galla. Today is Tuesday, February 2nd, 2021. So time is going
Yes.
very, very fast. Like this is all time related what we're going to talk about. देखो अभी we were thinking about celebrating the new year, what's going to happen, Christmas आएगी, Thanksgiving, everything's finished. Now we're looking forward to what? Valentine's Day.
Valentine's. Good morning, viewers. Good morning, Veena. Welcome to February. It started with a very cold, snowy
Yeah.
month,
Today, yeah.
but hopefully, they say the hedgehog saw its shadow, and it will take
Okay.
5 weeks before the winter is over.
Oh,
That's what I read today.
that was supposed to be this morning. They do that
Yes,
February 2nd.
yes,
Yeah. Okay, good,
hedgehog.
good, good. Thank God, 6 weeks, 5 weeks or 6 weeks left. So that's great. And then we can have a little bit of spring coming up and, some
Then
flowers.
we'll start moving out. We'll
Yes.
have our vaccinated done. We'll all have our
And,
vaccines.
I'm going tomorrow for my vaccine. They confirmed it. They called me and told me, "Good morning, Ramaji. How are you? Good to see you." Yeah. So I'm going tomorrow with my husband. Both of us are going. Thank God. So we'll get the second one, and then we'll. Yeah, it says a couple of weeks after that it's more effective. So ठीक है.
Yes, yes.
We'll be ready for that.
I'm going on Friday.
Oh, okay.
I'm
Friday.
going on Friday, yeah, to get my second dose. So, hey, after 2 weeks, but
A
still,
little bit
even
better.
after the vaccine, we have to follow the guidelines like mask and
Can't get
social
rid of
distance.
can't get rid of this fast. This is going to be there for a
No,
long time. This mask.
this is going to be there for a few years. I mean, according to my whatever I'm reading, it says it's going to be like a part of our lifestyle now. So
I
get
think.
ready with all the brand name masks now. People will come out with all.
I've seen the Indian clothes. They have
Yes, yes, I was going to say that.
they're wearing the suit and everything, and the matching
And the
mask.
matching. Yeah,
It's
that's
very
ridiculous.
could have thought of that. देखो ना पहले
Indians,
जमाने में
Indians'
I
minds
know.
are very, very sharp
Yeah, like
in
we were
these
saying,
things.
we are gonna go back to let's say beginning of the 19th century, like the 1900s, like before the
Yeah.
when the virus
We
came
were
out.
born in the 19th,
Yeah, when the
19s. Can you
19,
imagine? And now we are in the 2021.
you know, but 1900 May there was a virus that time, Spanish virus, remember?
Yes, yeah, yeah.
And that time they had this big pandemic that time also with the I think
Yeah,
Spanish
it was in 1803
18 or
something.
1900, something like that.
18, yeah.
But
Then came
at that
the.
time, yeah, at that time there were ladies were I saw some pictures they were wearing the
Yes,
mask,
I saw pictures too.
and they were it lasted for a long time. So
Yes.
that pandemic lasted
They
for a long
wore masks and they did social distancing because these three things were always available.
Yeah.
But today's date, we have so much freedom. We can do so much. But that's what we are going to be talking about the
Yeah.
times
Yeah.
then and
Hi,
now.
good morning, Nalini. Good morning. The thing is, that time, those times when people had that pandemic, right? I wonder how they were communicating with the doctors or with the family. ना कोई
It
फोन
was
था,
very difficult,
ना
very
कोई फोन था.
difficult.
Mail भी जो है, I think, but they were doing sending it
They
to some
used to get telegrams के साथ होता था
telegrams,
पहले.
and then they used to write chits, like those छोटे chits, and then send it to somebody. They used to go and give it. You know,
Yes,
that time, that
things were very different.
things were very different. Good
Imagine
morning,
how
ji.
they did
Good
their
morning,
shopping. They
Ramaji,
didn't
Nalini
have
ji,
online shopping
Anil Duaji.
like
Good
we
morning.
do.
I know.
Look at all the luxuries we are having. We can be on Zoom, talk to people. We can relate ourselves, our views, our opinions so openly and so freely. In those days,
Those days,
people couldn't do all this. They didn't have the luxury of all
and
this.
even I remember that time when I got married. I went to India. Like they used to call me, my parents and all that. So it used to take a long time just to get through. It was a different. Even the phone calls, it
Yes,
was easily done.
PP,
Yeah,
PP
yeah.
call. Yeah,
They used
something
to
they
go to
used to say PP call.
they used
Uh,
to go to some
you
place
know,
and make a phone call from there, make an appointment, and then call and all that. It was not an easy thing. And
no.
also, I used to get letters. Okay, if I write a letter, I remember getting letters from my friends when I was in Bangkok. So I used to wait so much. After 2 weeks,
Yeah,
एक reply आता था, right? Right away, if I write on the same day, then it's gonna go away. They get after 2 weeks. Then
yeah.
that person writes away quickly. So after 2 weeks, I have to get. So that means basically communication was after every 2 weeks. Right now,
Communication
nowadays,
was very slow that
very
time,
slow,
very
and
slow.
nowadays what you do is okay. Second, पहले
Text,
बात भी नहीं
text.
करी. It's all over the world.
All over the world, all over the
All
world.
over the world.
We are so connected now with everybody, like
Yeah.
friends, family, all over the world. We are so connected. Years ago, we didn't know our cousins. We couldn't meet them. They were very far. We couldn't go to see them, or we did never saw their pictures. It was so difficult. It was very different. But times where what times we grew up in were beautiful, very beautiful. But look at our generation. We have gone through so much.
A
We
lot.
used to play the gramophone. Our grandparents, when we had to listen to songs, they would play on the gramophone. And
I,
look now,
look at now. I know. And look at
look where we have traveled
one
so
second.
far.
We have Asha ji, Rama ji, Nalini ji, and Nalini. I want to say Nalini ji. Sushma ji. Good morning, Sushma ji. We missed you last night at Manbhavan. You were not there. I texted you to come. I hope everything's all right. But I'm glad to see you here. We're talking about पहले का क्या था, अब क्या, आजकल क्या हो रहा है, and what will be in the future when our grandkids grow up. We have no idea. क्या
You
होने
know what? Now,
nothing.
as the way the world is changing, the way the technology is taking over, and all this artificial intelligence and all, our brains are going to, you know, it's going to be like slacking. We are like slaves now. We are going to be slaves of technology. Can you imagine
Many,
now when we write something, we don't even have to, all our corrections, everything is done by the computer. We
right.
have no access to anything. Our private lives are open. People can get into our private lives. They can find us anywhere in the world. That's scary.
They can Google you, and your name is going to
It's
come up,
scary.
and every all your information will be right there. Anybody can
Yeah.
Google you, and if you go to LinkedIn, they have all your information over there.
You go to
So
navigation,
yeah,
you
and
can
navigation,
you
yes,
can see anybody's house, where they are living,
yeah, you can see the house.
and what time they're coming out. I mean, all your whereabouts, everything. They know. People know.
And
No
even
wonder we
now,
have so many.
I don't know if you notice that when I go to sometimes on my Facebook, there's some kind of they show you all kind of things to like advertisements for makeup and clothes and all that, and I always click yes, I like this because I like this this brand or whatever. As soon as I hit that thing, I like it. Again, the same thing will come back again, again and again and again.
Yes,
Because
because
they
they
know,
buy.
they know what I
We
like.
think that we are doing such a good,
I know, but
getting on Facebook,
yeah,
and we get on so many links and all. But you know what? They know, these people through the network. They know what you want,
exactly.
and they will feed that same thing to you, so that you buy more
And
or you
and
get
I
more
buy,
and
yeah,
more.
I know.
It's like a
And
web.
it's also the airlines too. Also, when you travel, they show you different pictures of different, like traveling countries दिखाते हैं. And of course, I love traveling, so I always click, देखो क्या हो रहा है.
Yeah,
Then
and
उसी
after
को
some
करने
time
करने दो.
you get emails from them, or you get posts from them. They just buy. There's a movie that is very, very like
I
very
know. Life
beautiful
is,
movie, Social Distancing.
yeah.
And that movie, it really brings goosebumps in your body when you see that movie.
I'm a bad. I'll say I'm a bad person in the sense. Sometimes I wake up in the night and I don't know what to do. I start looking on the thing. This damn thing is with me all the time. Another, sorry to use that word, but I'm slave. We are kind of slave to the
We are
phone.
a slave
I
to it.
become
Yeah,
slave to
we
the
cannot
phone.
live without it.
Then somebody text, if you don't answer back, if then, oh my god, क्या हो गया? No answer नहीं किया. So we have become like a slave.
Yes.
And as soon as you leave the thing in some place for 5 minutes, वापस आओ देखो कितने messages होते हैं. So what
Yeah.
I'm trying to say is, sometimes I look at the thing on Facebook, the advertisement को नजर आ रहा होता है, I like something, and I'm guilty. I'll say I'm the guilty person. I always buy 3 o'clock in the morning. You see me doing some shopping.
Yeah,
So
sometimes like,
it's very bad. It's addictive. And then before you know it, नहीं गलती कर दी रात को, क्या हो गया? The package is in your house already in 2 days.
yeah,
You
it's
can't do
it's
anything. And you go and
sometimes
return it.
it's
वापस कौन करेगा? कौन जाएगा वापस करने? उसको पैक करो, छोड़ो. रह गया, उधर ही रह गया. That's it. Hello,
so
Nandini.
the thing is,
One more
आजकल
thing.
क्या है?
People are writing back. They're saying this pandemic. Yeah, Ramaji कहते हैं, in this pandemic, friends and families have become close. 100% right.
Yes, that is true.
And Ramaji is saying the life has become an open book. Exactly our point. And your likes and dislikes are compromised. Yes, that's another thing. And hello Nandini ji, how are you? Good to see you. So we are right like an open book, and now all these new things are coming up with the WhatsApp, and we don't know what's going to happen. But what you
You
can
know
do
what
is
happens
you
is,
can
I
reduce
was
some of
thinking
the stuff. You can
one day
reduce.
I was thinking, like, when you are going for traveling, and then पहले क्या होता था, oh, ये छूट गया घर में, like you left this thing, or you didn't pack this and that. आजकल,
Everything
even
is
if you
available.
travel without any luggage, but you have to have your phone. You
You
can
don't know
get
what happened.
everything.
Last year we went last February vacation. The kids have the break. Pam and the kids, we all went to Florida, Jupiter. We went for vacation for about I think about a week, to a place in Florida last year. So we did traveling and everything together. And then as soon as I hit the hotel, Ben, my son-in-law, he realized that he didn't pack any of his for a bathing thing for the swimming. No, like a men's bathing thing he didn't have. And I looked at my stuff. I also forgot to pack my bathing suit. I said, मैं क्या Florida में आया, pool में तो जाना ही है. So both of us, what we did, we
Click, click, click.
नहीं, we
There it
went
is.
Amazon में गए.
Yeah,
Amazon
yeah,
में गए. Right away I clicked, I'm in this hotel, blah blah. Next day, both of us
yeah.
bathing
It's
suit.
very, very simple.
Came to the hotel.
You can
I
forget
can't
anything at
believe it.
home.
So good. I mean, I said, what? I can do all these things. I didn't realize. I said, you know what? If I can get and then the groceries, because we had a nice condominium with a kitchen and everything. And sometimes you can make some tea and all your few things. You need fruit or something extra. You can do anything. You can eat something you want. So we had that kind of a because we have the timeshare. So that's the kind of place we got. And we got the groceries from Whole Food right away. 2 hours में grocery भी आ गई, whatever we wanted. And then right the next day we got the bathing suits, so we were good to go.
That's what I said. Like, when you go anywhere you go, the only thing you cannot forget is your phone.
I know.
Everything is on your fingertips. The whole world,
Whole world
the
is right
whole
there.
everything, you A to Z, everything is on your fingertips. Click, click, click. Your groceries.
I'm,
Look how this pandemic has made life. There are advantages and disadvantages.
yeah,
Of course, we are losing a lot of lives. That's a very sad
that is the
part.
sad part. Yeah.
That is very sad.
I
For
always say
no
that.
reason, this pandemic has caused so many deaths.
I
So
know.
many people have, like, it's so depressing and everything. But then now we have to learn how to live on our telephones. Like kids tell us, Mom, you don't have to go to the shopping for groceries. You can just order
Exactly.
it online.
I,
Everything is
I
online.
That's what I do. A lot of the time we call up Costco, maybe Costco. I had to get my medication, and
Yeah, yeah,
from there.
everything.
And then they said there's a choice. Okay, you also want to buy the grocery? Then they give you like a cart. I went around to
Yeah.
shop everything within two
And
hours.
then within
Two
2
hours.
hours, your grocery,
I
everything.
said instead
Sitting
of
at
me,
home.
I know it's no. I said instead of me going standing in the line in Costco for 45 minutes
Yeah.
or half an hour, forget it. In this cold weather, and I had to take my car, put the stuff in the car, drive home, take it out. I said no, this is much easier for me. So you give them a little bit, you give them a nice tip, and hey, in 2 hours, all my stuff came. And believe it or not, the grocery choices that they had is better than what I do. More fresh, all fresh stuff. Everything was good.
Yeah,
Uh,
sometimes it
I
is
agree with you.
happens. Yeah, sometimes you can get
No, I got all my good,
unlucky
got
by
all my
getting something
yeah.
wrong groceries also.
I
A
got
lot
all.
of times I have had complaints like people are getting the wrong stuff. What they ordered, they didn't come. And but one thing I was saying is, imagine our grandchildren will never see a supermarket. Can you believe that? They will not
No,
know
I'm
what a
just I
supermarket
know
is.
my thing is this. I always think of this thing. Like my grandkids, like they're about the same age, one or 2 years up and down. Maya is 9 and Audrey is 8, and the younger one is 3.5. It's going to be 4 in May. So what I'm thinking, when Miles or Maya or Audrey, when they're teenagers, or teenagers are going to be soon, but when they are like late 18, 19 years old, let's say 10 years down the road from now, or even 20, Miles will
Oh,
be
life will be
December.
different.
I, I'm just wondering what's going to be. There's no driving the car.
They will not be driving the car.
Everything
The
home
car
will be all the I think work will be from home. Nobody's going to be going out.
work is already from home. It
Already started.
started
Yeah,
already.
already
So
started.
this
It's
is
going to
going
be,
to be our next thing.
yeah.
People will not go to their place of work only when they need some
Maybe
special conference or
once
something
a
like
week, or
that.
maybe.
Otherwise, it's
Yeah,
going to be very, very different. So this technology, this digital world, everything is so different. Life is very different.
life is going to be
We
even
never
more.
thought in our lives that we would go through this pandemic, right?
No,
Never.
never.
It's just like all these years, all these, we never had anything. Our parents never saw this. Our
No,
parents never saw all
they
this.
always never saw this. We never. I
But
know.
we are witnessing so much in our lifetime. I don't know what to say, good or bad, or but I enjoyed my yesteryears also, and I enjoyed my present, and of course the future. I don't know, but I always
I'm just
think,
saying that. That's what I'm saying. Future. You see, I see all the things through the eyes of the kids. The kids करते हैं ना तो
yes,
वही हम
I
देखते
also
हैं.
see to the
They
eyes of the
they
kids,
they they're the ones who know
yeah.
everything, and then you see what they're doing, and then that's how you learn different things. I see from what they're doing.
Imagine virtual classes they're having.
So, yeah,
Who
school.
ever thought about that before? Did we ever think about this?
Last year, no. We have over here Ramaji कहती हैं, carry a cell phone and a laptop everywhere. Nandini ji and Ramaji कहते हैं, we are spoiled. I agree to a
We
certain
are very
degree. We are
spoiled
spoiled.
now.
And
We
no
don't
more.
have our laptop or our
Kids,
telephone in our
I
hand.
know. Like yesterday was snowing outside, but my daughter Sumita, she was still teaching from the house, doing virtual teaching.
Yes,
Now,
yes, yes.
normally here,
Or they
they
didn't
teach
have a
from
snow
home.
day.
They don't have a
My
snow day
kids had
anymore.
a snow day yesterday.
They worked from she taught from home. She taught from home yesterday, and
Oh,
Ramaji कहती
okay.
है everything is auto, so no more snow. I mean, a city school is different. Maybe they
Yeah.
actually had to teach from home. They didn't have a snow day, so
Oh,
things are.
they had a snow day so that they could play out in the snow and they
So,
had fun.
Pam
They
also
had
had,
fun,
right?
and then they FaceTimed me. Can you imagine FaceTiming and all
Uh,
that?
no, my kids,
FaceTime me, and they said, "Ma, Nani, we are having hot chocolate, and look at all the marshmallows." I said, "Wow." It reminds me of the old days when my kids were small. Imagine when my son was very little, that time in the 80s and early 90s, these young kids, teenagers, they would go out and they would shovel snow in the neighbors' front yard, in the driveways, and they would make money. Nowadays, these kids, they are so spoiled, I would say, yes, spoiled. They will never do all this. They'll say, no, we're not going to shovel snow. Call somebody. But these kids in those days, they would go shovel the snow, and then they would make some money, $15 or something, and
yeah,
then they would go and play video games on in the arcade.
yeah. Those days they used to do that. Then now,
We had a
also,
store. We had
uh,
a store,
mhm.
and they would come. We had three arcades like Mario Brothers, and I was telling my grandson yesterday. She said, "Yes, Nani. Yes, Nani." He was so interested, and they would play video games on the arcade because they never had Nintendos or games. Games, all these fancy gadgets to play at home. These kids are nowadays are the
Yeah.
couch potatoes.
Now
That's why
my
they're so
yeah,
obese.
my grandkids from Connecticut. My daughter is very very strict with their diet. They're not allowed any. They haven't had any soda in their life so far. They're 9 years
Yeah,
old.
oh, me
Never.
too. They have
And
never
no,
had soda.
nothing sweet. No sweets. Anything sweets? No, allowed. Not allowed. They're not, only
Yeah,
occasionally. So not every day kind of a thing. So they're
yeah.
very strict. So the kids are nice and they're pretty slim.
Skinny. Yeah, very
And
skinny.
also yesterday, I mean the kids now they go sometime on they were off in Connecticut. They go on Messenger. They have a lot of games. They play games with me on Messenger. They send me
Yes.
game, उसमें game खेलो ये वो, and
They
then
have these
all kind of
educated
games.
games and all.
Very very
Educated games, yeah.
all kind of game playing arcade and kabhi I said all kind of games. So things are I I could never
Changing.
imagine that they are the kids messenger. So I इतनी चीजें अभी देखते देखते ही बदल गई हैं in 1 year. You're right. Who would have
Yeah.
thought last year that they're going to be virtual classes in the class for the kids, especially the children, and the children need a lot of exercise, activities, outside activity. अभी कब
Yes, they do.
for the sake of the children, this thing should stop. Really,
Yes, this is not good for
bad.
kids
Really not
actually.
good for the children. I
The
really feel
kids
bad.
are supposed to be outside playing and letting their energy, releasing their energy,
Yeah.
not sitting on couches and chairs and just playing video games. Even Shivali doesn't allow them. He was
No.
telling mommy, I want a smartphone for my birthday. The birthday is on Thursday. She said, what do you need a smartphone for? I said, no, nothing, just to talk to you sometimes. He said, oh yeah, what about the video games you want to play, right? Then he started smiling.
I know.
See, कितने चालाक है बच्चे.
बच्चे बहुत
वीडियो
चला
गेम्स का नाम नहीं
आई
लिया.
नो
कहते कि
बिल्कुल ठीक
हम
बात
आपके साथ बात.
दे नंदिनी जी कह रही है कि she her granddaughter says the school is closed every day but we can use our tablets so she says she's only 5 years old and at that age the only tablet we knew was aspirin or or
Yeah.
you're right I know we didn't know anything about
We didn't know
tablet
what tablet is.
but बच्चों को सब पता है they know how to use the thing at a young
They
age
teach you. They teach us
my
sometimes.
granddaughter when I had the phone long and some time back and then long time back and then she was only 3 or 4 years old and I was wondering how you see the picture लिए हैं ये I couldn't understand कि कैसे photo कैसे देखते हैं so she came she was only 18 months or 2 years old so she's playing around and she clicked on the thing and she was looking at all the pictures and हंस रही है मैं कहा ये क्या कर रही है and I said she's looking at all the pictures and I was wondering I said how do you do that
Yeah,
she was young to explain but
I know. These
you
kids,
are
they
yeah, I
teach
have to
me
learn from her she's
a lot of things.
I couldn't
Sometimes I
believe it.
say, Sohel, can you teach me? Can you tell me how to do this? He says, sure, Nani. And
Yeah.
then he does click like that. He does like that when he was small with his thumb go
Mhm.
up and down. I said, oh my
No,
God, they are so
we are here,
smart.
Nalini. We are talking regularly, just like before. So, अपना check करो system check करो कि वो आवाज क्यों नहीं आ रही. Check your system if your something might have closed by the sound might have closed. But we can everybody can hear me. Ramaji, can you hear us? Nandini ji. Can you hear us? So what I'm saying is that these kids, we have to learn from them. They know.
We learn from them
We learn
now,
a lot from
yes.
them. Yeah, we do.
First, we used to teach them. Now we learn from them. ये
All the
जमाना है.
new apps होती है ना, the kids come and tell you, mom, do like this, like this, like this. Sometime कोई पूछनी पड़ती है. They know all these things. They know everything.
Yeah, जैसे वो है था ना एड, इंडियन टीवी में एक एड था, वो लेडी, यंग लेडी एक सब्जी लेने जाती है, तो भैया ये भी दे दो, भैया वो दे दो, वो दे दो, तो वो कहती कितने पैसे हुए, कहते वो कहता है 100 रुपया, कहती 100 रुपया, इतना महंगा, तो वो कहता है कि बीबी जी जमाना बदल गया, कहती अच्छा, फिर वो अपना क्रेडिट कार्ड निकालती है पैसे देने के लिए, कहते बेबी जी ये क्या, कहती जमाना बदल गया है. तो वही बात है,
That's cute. That's
जमाना
cute.
बदल गया है.
तो देखो ना इंडिया में ये सब्जी वाले जो हैं, अभी की बात नहीं मैं कर रही.
Cell phones,
They all have cell phones. Everybody.
they have cell phone.
So easily
India
available. Acha, you can
now
hit it good.
at this date
And
today,
everybody has a cell phone over there.
the
I couldn't believe-
highest building of cell phones today is in India.
I think
Is
China
in
has the next.
every
China.
Tom, Dick and Harry has a phone.
I know. I think China is number 1, then India number 2 होएगा. China
नहीं
भी-
नहीं, अभी India number 1 है. I just read somewhere
Huh?
they said India is number 1 in all the cell phones.
And there was a time जब इंडिया में किसको, like my mother-in-law, they didn't have a phone in the house. They used to go to the neighbor's house to call us. अमेरिका में कभी बात करनी हुई तो नेबर को बोलते थे, नहीं या मैं करती थी उनको नेबर के घर में. नेबर वाला जो था
फिर
उनको
वो बुला के लेके आते थे.
कराओ. Then I said, okay, I'll call you
Yeah.
back in 5 minutes. 5 minutes में बुला कर आओ. फिर मैं 5 मिनट
Yeah.
में दोबारा उनको कॉल करती थी.
Yes.
Those were days.
और
Now
मिलता
what?
भी नहीं था, इतना
Huh?
मुश्किल था
Yeah,
मिलना.
it was very difficult. Once a month I used to call. And
Yes.
now एक second एक दबाओ तो you can talk to anybody.
Yeah,
एक मिनट में.
free में.
Free.
पहले
WhatsApp.
पता है एक मिनट में
Very
5,
expensive.
1 minute used to be $5
Used to be
because
very
my
expensive.
husband was here
Yeah.
and I was in India. So every time he used to call me, he says, you know, I gave so much business to 9X. उस time 9X होता था.
I know.
He said they
I
loved me.
agree.
They loved me because, you know, naturally, you know, he would call me almost every day and 5 minute भी बात करो. Hello, hi करते ही बस में 5 मिनट निकल जाते थे.
I
It
know.
was so difficult. Yeah.
Yeah, Ramaji Carey in 2004, she saw a sabji fruit wala in Bangkok carrying the cell phones. But 2006 में or 7 में I was in India. Even at that time I saw सफाई करने वाली सबके पास फोन थे.
अरे वो जो उधर स्वीपर्स नहीं होते जिसको बोलते हैं जमादार,
ये
जमादार जो
they have.
उनके पास सेल फोन है और वो सेल फोन में कहते हैं अब मैं इधर हूँ, अब मुझे आके ले जाओ, अब ये है मैं इधर ऐसे हूँ, you know, like they talk to each other on the cell phones और घर में जाते हैं, जहाँ भी जाते हैं आपस में बातचीत करके. They have a whole network, these people.
Yeah, they have a network around there. That's true.
Oh my God, I cannot believe it.
I agree. I saw it myself because the people used to work for us. उनके लिए भी. Excuse me, I just sneezed. So they
It's
had.
okay, bless you.
Thank you. So like I said, things have कहाँ से कहाँ. So चिट्ठी डालते थे. Used to reach after 2 weeks. In India,
Yeah.
they used to come after 1 month. You know. So now everything is amazing, and thanks to this Amazon. तो Amazon में तो pandemic में बड़ा use किया मैंने, and I got everything from Amazon, a lot of stuff. Right away you know get the account है, उनको करो, next day उसके next day आ जाता है सामान. So very convenient.
Yeah.
Amazon.
1 second, I have a telephone from Walmart, my medicines.
Oh, okay.
Hello?
बात करने को.
Yes?
Hi, it's Cindy at Walmart Pharmacy in Westbury.
Mm-hmm.
How are you?
Good.
Oh, mine is in
Okay.
Costco.
You
My
need
pharmacy
a
is in
refill of
Costco.
Lexapro, 20 milligrams,
Okay.
Acidophram. I called the doctor, Dr. Dua, but they're not in the office today, and I guess I don't know if they don't have a record of you there, so I don't know if you want to call the doctor to have them send in a new prescription for you.
All right, I will.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
No problem. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Excuse me, sorry. I had to take this call because it was
That's
from
okay.
Walmart for my medicine. You know, you sit at home and you type on your phone, you give them the number, your medicines are ready, and then you just either you go and pick it up from curbside or they can deliver you at home.
That's what I'm
But I
saying.
would
That's what
like
I
to
did.
go and get it on get a curbside pickup because I just want to go out.
Yeah. That's what I was saying. मेरा Costco में से मेरा आया था. I got twice. I got it from there. My doctor sent the prescription over there. So they texted me right away. They very good. Text you, your medicine is ready. What do you want to do? You want to drop it, or and then I said yeah, drop it. And then I ended up buying a lot of stuff. They were here in 2 hours. So that was the best thing for me. I didn't feel like going out to Costco to get the thing because the lines are still
Are we
here.
still on?
Yeah, we're still here. We're
Okay.
still here. My friends are still here. Nothing amazing anymore. Yeah. And Ramaji saying nothing amazes. Nowadays, everything is like amazing. आप बिल्कुल ठीक बोला है. और Amazon भी देखो जिंदाबाद है. Amazon में, like I said, you can get about anything you want. Everything. I wanted some water.
Everything. You don't have to go to the stores to buy
Anything.
anything, everything. Because kids nowadays, they say, Mom, you can get everything online. Time is money. Time is money. You cannot waste your time going to the stores, buying clothes, buying groceries.
Most of my clothes nowadays, I mean, most of my clothes, even before this pandemic, I was buying online anyway. I didn't feel like going to the store.
Yeah,
because
we
when you
did
come-
buy online.
Because when you come to your
But
house,
you know what?
nicely packed, clean, fresh. दुकान में जाओ किसने पनी काम पहना हुआ है फेंका हुआ है इधर उसको ट्राई करो. Oh, yeah.
But you know, sometimes what you feel is you want to go and feel the material or see or go to the stores and look around.
That's a different thing.
It's so much it's so much
That's
fun.
I call that
For
window
us,
shopping.
it's fun.
No, I like the window shopping. It's called window shopping. I like
Yeah,
to go
window
look around.
shopping, and
I like that.
otherwise also go inside the
No,
stores
I
and
like to
see
go. But
what's
nowadays,
new.
nowadays I don't feel like going to the mall because I'm
Yeah,
staying.
now I've never been to the mall. It's been 1 year I haven't been to the
Yeah.
mall.
No, Ramaji, पता क्या है? मैं ना, I'm part of this group. I mean, I buy online from this company for the last 15 years. It's called QVC and
Yeah, QVC. Even
HSN.
I've bought stuff from QVC.
हाँ, तो उनका क्या होता है कि उनके जो डिजाइनर आते हैं ना, so I'm very familiar with their when they come and show the thing, I'm very familiar with the style and the size.
Yeah,
तो
once you start,
and then I know the size क्या है, sizing क्या है उनकी, मेरे को क्या सूट करेगा, and anything they new they come up, so I buy that. That's how I know what, and I like the designers a lot. I buy a lot of stuff.
QVC, yeah, QVC shopping is good too. You
Yeah,
know,
QVC and then HSN.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I know the designer क्या style है, क्या sizing क्या है, and once you start एक दो बारी लेकर आओ, then you know what fits you. So and I like the blouse पहन लिया, sweater होगी, so I buy it from there. I said, you know what, it's very convenient. Like I said, like you just said, बैठ के उसको click करो, देखो click कर दो, and then done. You're done.
yeah,
Very easy.
Yeah.
After 2-3 days, you get the stuff.
easy.
Very easy. So मेरी shopping आजकल ऐसे हो रही है, and then more nowadays is even more. But now there are different things also included because of the pandemic. And Amazon में जैसे घर की चीजें हैं, ये है वो है. I don't have to go and pick them up anymore. They come and deliver. Even I had a gathering in my house last year, and I had to get the पानी भी चाहिए था, ये भी कुछ भी नहीं था. So I did everything through Amazon. They came and delivered everything. Next day, everybody came. I had everything there.
Yeah, it's easy nowadays. Yeah,
Then
you don't
leave
have to worry about.
run to the store,
अभी-
get the water. इतने heavy होते हैं वो. वो नहीं मैंने. I always get it from.
Look at the
Amazon or
food.
Costco. Yeah.
Ready-made food. Ajkal frozen. Everything you get frozen.
Yeah.
So if you have a few things in your freezer, somebody comes to your house, you want to serve some appetizers, there you go.
That's
you put
true.
it in the air fryer,
You know,
all
yeah,
those, and they come out
they come out good.
very good. Very good. You don't have to cook.
Asha ji कह रही है Amazon Baba and Zoom Baba everywhere. I know. बिल्कुल. They're
Yes.
all over the place. जहाँ भी देखो Zoom is Zoom and
Zoom.
Amazon is Amazon. बिल्कुल
Zoom के साथ Zumo.
ठीक.
Jumo.
I know.
Jumo.
और ये जमाना changes अभी और आएंगे. I mean, we are seeing ourselves every couple of days something new.
But we are also getting very lazy.
Yeah.
We
Yeah,
are
of course,
getting,
definitely.
it's not even good that we don't go out too much. Of course, now pandemic, we are,
Yeah,
it is mandatory that we are not supposed to go out, right? But in other ways, I hope we don't get so used to this lifestyle when everything's are okay, that we get so lazy that we say, अरे यार चलो ऑर्डर ही कर लेते हैं, ऑनलाइन ही ऑर्डर करें, खाने के लिए, पीने के लिए, और कपड़ों के लिए, grocery के लिए. I hope we don't become lazy, because we need to go out.
I know.
We
Time.
need to get out of
Think-
the house every day, get some fresh air, going to cafes or little
no,
restaurants.
Pomo said that on Valentine's Day, he's allowing people to meet 14 people, 13, 14 group of people can go out now to a restaurant. And in March, the weddings will be anybody having 130 people in a wedding they can have. But everybody will be tested before going in. There'll be.
Yeah, but I think I will not,
I-
especially Valentine Day and all, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to stay
I mean,
home.
there are some people that are dying to go out. I mean, even on that.
But
on that
still,
day.
even after we get our vaccinations,
No, you
we
still have to
still
be
have to observe the social distancing and the mask. It's
Yeah,
very,
so
very
that's not going
important.
to go away. At least you are safer. You know that you are safe.
Yeah.
And
But the
even
thing is, even if we get vaccination, Veena, it's not that we will not get COVID. We will
that's
get the
the thing.
COVID,
No,
but it will
yeah,
be, it's
uh,
like any other flu.
like a
Like
flu.
you
Flu is
get
if
you
you get
get a
the
shot, a flu
if you
shot,
get the if you get the flu shot and then you
and
get a little bit
you
sick,
still
it's much
get the
light.
flu.
But it's much lighter.
But
Lighter.
it's not going to be so severe,
Yeah,
like you end up in the hospital and things like that. You just have to take care of it.
exactly.
You have to stay home, quarantine, and you have to take your medicines, Tylenol and things like that, whatever it is.
That's true. Nandini ji, yeah, you're right. I think ये जमाना Baba's का ही आ गया है, and I think we should order from each other. That's a good idea. And then barter system, no झमेला. तो बड़ी अच्छी, ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. कोई dessert बना के दे रहा है, कोई खाना बना के दे दे. तो बड़ी perfect
Yeah.
बात. Very good
ये
idea.
exchange खाना
Good
exchange.
idea.
Exchange
Yeah.
करो.
No.
जैसे पुराने
Exchange.
जमाने में वो
मैंने करते थे
exchange
लोग.
करते थे ना, then came the money and all that.
Barter system.
एक ad भी आती है आजकल. I don't know if you have seen. पहले Greeks लोग, they used to exchange things from one country to the other. Then came the money, and then ये वो सारा कुछ शुरू हो गया. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So
thanks a lot everybody. हमारा आज Tuesday का दिन है, and Tuesday very nicely done. First thing in the morning we had this nice talk, everybody. पहले क्या था, अब क्या है, और
remember that movie? Did you see that movie? Yesterday, Today, and Tomorrow.
कल, आज और कल. एक हिंदी
कल,
movie
आज
है.
और कल भी थी, and Yesterday, Today, and
Today and
Tomorrow.
Yeah, I've seen all those movies.
I think it was Sophia Loren की movie थी, Yesterday, Today, and Tomorrow.
अच्छा, but is it
बहुत पुरानी.
कहानी मैंने देखी हुई है. Your cousin took the vaccine the same day I did, and she got the COVID. No problem. Oh my God. I heard somebody else also got the thing the same day. उनको COVID का, she got the COVID shot, but she got the COVID. You have to be very careful when you go to some places. जहाँ पे लेनी होती है ना, वहाँ पे
पहले था कोविड के बाद में हुआ.
नहीं, वैक्सीन के बाद हुआ है.
वैक्सीन के बाद में कोविड हुआ.
जिस दिन वैक्सीन लिया उस दिन हो गया. Same day.
Oh, maybe I don't know.
You have to be very careful when you go and get the vaccine. कहाँ पे ले रहे हो? Where are you?
Yeah, but क्या करें? We how can we know? Veena, इतने लोग हैं. You know, everybody is going. You don't know. कौन who is asymptomatic? You know, sometimes there are people with asymptomatic. You know, they don't know. They have no symptoms.
Oh, she's not getting.
And they have COVID. So they can transfer their viruses to you if you know, it's very scary. Let's not be negative, but we have to
positive. I have to go tomorrow, and I want to come back properly. I don't mind relaxing a little bit. If I don't feel very good or something, or maybe ache or something.
Let us know, okay?
But
after you get the vaccine, let us know how you feel.
I will definitely.
Yeah, because
so I will let you know, guys, tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm going to be going early in the morning because I want to be back here at 10:30. So I think I'm going to leave home around 6:30 or 7 o'clock in the morning and get it done. I'll be very happy. But this time tomorrow I'll be over it.
Oh, very good. Very good.
So,
Good luck to you, Veena. Good
thank you,
luck.
thank you.
Okay.
So, guys, thank you
Yeah.
so much for coming, all of you, Ramaji, Nandini ji, Nalini ji, Sushma ji. Thank you so much for coming and joining. Even Roma ji was here. I really appreciate you guys coming, and thanks so much, Indra, for joining me.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me.
Oh, you're
And
welcome.
thank you, viewers, everybody, all friends,
Yeah.
family who is watching.
Yes.
Thank you for coming and
And,
listening to this Gupshup today.
yeah.
It was
Please,
very good.
please forward to your friends and families this talk today, and बढ़ाई जाओ हमारी थोड़ी और भी audience होएगी, and then this is the way, we can get more people to watch. And also I'm going to put it in different groups also, so that a lot of people can see what we're doing. And any
Yeah,
suggestions
अच्छी
or anything,
गपशप हो जाती है.
please हमको दो suggestion भी दो. आप interact करते हो, बड़ा मजा आता है live में. It's really fun. I'm so
Yes.
happy I'm back. So happy. So
Have a beautiful day. Enjoy your day.
enjoy your day, everyone.
चाय पियो.
Snow
कल
है
तो
लेकिन
काफी मैसेजेस आ रहे थे फेसबुक पे, हमने पकौड़े और चाय पी आज. And to tell you frankly, even I made some
Oh.
pakoras yesterday,
Oh.
and that was
Really?
my lunch yesterday. Pakore and chai.
Okay.
I think I told you yesterday.
Yeah.
Remember when I spoke
Asha
to you?
is saying that she got the second one yesterday, and she's saying that her arm is hurting. A second में थोड़ा कहते होता है, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा होता है. But yeah, thank you so much, Asha ji. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow, and thank you again once again. And we'll be back दिल दिया गल्ला tomorrow. ज़रूर आना इसी जगह पर 10:30 tomorrow. तो कल मिलते हैं. So have a nice, beautiful Tuesday, and have a nice day.
Yes. Namaste to everybody.
Thank you so
Bye
much.
bye.
Bye. Bye.
Love you all.
Love you all too.
Love you, Veena.
Love you too. Asha ji, I'll talk to you soon. मैं भी करूँगी, आपको करूँगी phone. And thanks, Indra. Thank you.
You're
Bye.
welcome. You're welcome. Anytime.
Thank you. Recording.